How to create Dolly Zoom Effect in CapCut PC. First, import a video that includes a fixed subject and a moving camera either towards or away from the subject. Trim the video to remove any unnecessary parts. Select the video and enable the transform keyframe for size and position. Make sure that uniform scaling is turned on. Choose a reference point from the video that will be used to create the effect. Move to the ending point of the video and adjust the scale ratio so that the reference point remains in the same position at both the start and end of the video. Switch between the first and last frames to ensure accuracy and adjust the position as needed. Once the first and last frames have the same position for the reference subject, the Dolly Zoom Out effect has been created. So that's how you can create Dolly Zoom effect in CapCut PC. Thanks for watching.